Hi everyone, I have another quick video. I just made this really cute tall skinny journal for the Kentucky Derby that's coming up. It's the 150th running of the Kentucky Derby, and I used a whole bunch of different vintage papers from the different Kentucky Derby races. Here's the founder of it, some history about it, and then I have some pages in here where they can write notes and things like that, put pictures, and then here is some racing programs, some more ledger paper, a little pocket, and just really fun. Here's a page about Secretariat, which was the 99th running of the Kentucky Derby. That Secretariat won. Some more ledger paper. And this is a really famous hotel in Louisville, the Galt House. And here's the back side of the signature. So just a super fun, I thought this would be a fun thing. Look at this center signature. Them coming around the first turn there. And the twin spires, the famous twin spires. I thought this would be just a fun little souvenir for anyone, and they can put their tickets in here, print out a couple photos, tuck their bracelets in here. So just a super fun little memorabilia journal that they could use for their trip that they take to the Kentucky Derby this year. So I will be listing this in my Etsy shop if anyone is interested. Alright guys, thank you all so much for all your support. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And make sure to check out all my older videos. If you're new, I have a ton of junk journaling videos. Alright guys, see you all in the next video. Bye.